Danny the dog wakes up to play. Wiggly tail starts his day. Left paw, right paw, spin around. Tap your toes and jump to the sound. He twirls in circles, wagging free, dancing under the apple tree. Cats and bunnies join the show. Go Danny go, go Danny go. He bounces high with giggly cheer. The birds all tweet, we love you here. A squirrel claps fast on a hollow log, keeping time for Danny the dog. Through the meadow, down the lane, he dances in the summer rain. Splashing puddles, what a sight. His muddy paws feel just right. Then down the hill he meets a frog who joins the beat. Ribbit, rah! A butterfly twirls through the air. Glitter dust flying everywhere. Morning sun to evening moon, Danny's feet go tap tap tune. Hip hop, twist and a fancy sway. Danny the dog dances all day. At sunset glow by the riverside, he twirls with ducks that glide and slide. A gentle breeze, a golden ray, keeps the rhythm while they play. When stars come out and night feels near, he hums a tune we all can hear. One last spin, then sleepy lay. Good night, dancers. What a day! Dreams of music fill his head, little paws tucked in play.